Pagkalooban po ninyo siya ng karunungan.
Party host for today, Ate Aubrey, and welcome to the Colorful World of Fantastic Factory as we celebrate Riri. Tayo to boost our energy po. Ayan, tayo po muna tayo lahat. Stand up po. Of your burger, flip it 4 times in 1, 2, 3, 4 for the chicken joint. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the spaghetti. 1, 2, 3, 4. And clap your hands 4 times in 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, did you get the steps? And we will do that. Sinasadya ko ata, no? Okay, knees, head, shoulders, feet. Okay, see, toes, shoulders, head, feet. Ayan, okay. So, ilan na lang sila? Pababa, pababa, and pababa. Spaghetti, pababa, pababa, and pababa. Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble, dribble. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Pass to number 3. Number 3, spaghetti, pababa, pababa, and pababa. Pass to number 4. Number 4, mag 8, 8. 8, 8. Pass to number 5. Number 5, mag 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. Pass to 5. Ginanaan sa cell. 8, 8. Sige pa, sir. 8, 8. Pass to number 3. Number 3, spaghetti, pababa, pababa, and pababa. Pass to number 1. Number 1, shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. 2. Okay na mag-shoot na. Ay, namahabol. Kala ka, it's a tie ulit. And after that, you need to spell the word wow using your butt. So we will start at letter W, letter O, and letter W, and pass it to your teammates. Wow po na word na wow. Okay? W-O-W. Yes po. This time, sino po yung last player in each team? Kayo. Okay. How to walk like a chicken in count of 3, 2, sila. Manila na tayo. Isa, dalawa. Makapalit-palit. Isa, dalawa. Bigyan na natin. At tatlo po, tatlo. Sino pa? Re-review the prices na po. This or her lola. May lola ka dito. Mami na lola. Ay, mga lola. Mga lola, ayan. Makabitbit ko lang sila ng mga apo nila. Para kung makabitbit ng mga apo. Ay, nako. Okay. Hey, kompleto. Ayan ang nanay, tatay, at ay, wala na. Ang daming pamilya. Pamilya. Nako, namumulubi si namin sa mga price. Pamilya. Hala, isang price lang kada pamilya, ha? Isang price lang kada pamilya. Saka yung chocolate, isang. Okay pa. Ito muna tayo. Okay, for our last item, this is for Jollibee. Bring Riri and eyeglasses. Dali! Mga eyeglasses! Mga eyeglasses! Eyeglasses! Sometimes lang, eyeglasses sila, eyeglasses. Ayun! Ito, bata. Ito, eyeglasses. Ito. San? Pang ano yun sa sun protection? Maybe this time you will be smiling at least to smile away back then. Ano name po? Terry. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Terry!
Let's go, Terry!
Go! Okay, Jollibee, I introduce to you po our birthday boy. Ayan si Riri. High five! Ayan. Okay, ayan. So this time po, pwede mo bang picture na natin si Riri at si Jollibee Kids? Si Tan okay, and it counts on 3. So this time, sumayo po tayo. We will sing a birthday song to Riri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. syempre yung masigla naman. Happy birthday to you. Alright, kayo naman.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder.
Happy birthday to you.
Make it louder. Blow. Okay na ka na ulit. Everyone, let's all shout. Happy birthday, Riri. Wishes daw po. Okay. So the first wish to Riri is to grow smart and God-fearing as mommy daw. Smart and God-fearing. And for the second wish to Riri is to grow handsome, strong, as daddy naman daw. Okay. And for the third wish to Riri is to grow as a jolly, healthy, like our kid's best friend, Jollibee. Ayan. Okay, this time po, family picture po muna kayo, sir, na nandyan po yung cake. Picture po muna kayo po. Kasama syempre si Jollibee. Okay, dali po. Okay, kayain na natin si Jollibee. Okay. Dali po, madali lang. Dali lang. Si Jollibee. Ikot. Mama. Ikot.
Sa pagpunta niyo sa oras niyo, thank you. Maraming salamat!
Okay, si Mami naman. May gusto pa salamatan, Mami? Happy face ka.